Hey guys, this is Miss Doak. We are looking at Module 3, Lesson 10, the Research Outline in Dropbox. Okay, so a lot of people sometimes are a little bit confused on what is an outline. Well, I gave y'all a video to watch down there in the lesson, if you can see right there. That video will help, but I also figured we should probably talk about the actual assignment as well. So once you open the assignment on that page, it'll pop up this document. It says a formal outline consists of at least 3 levels of headings: main topics, subtopics, and specific facts. So that might be kind of confusing, but let's break it up. So the main topics follow Roman numerals and periods. Okay, so the way that I like to think about it is anytime you see a Roman numeral like 1, 2, or 3, that's kind of a new paragraph. Okay, so your main topics are going to be your main paragraphs. All right, so inside that paragraph is going to be all these little subtopics or specific details. Okay, um, so where you see the capital letters and the periods, those are going to be kind of like the main ideas inside your paragraphs. Okay, so you might have like your big ideas here, and then um, the lowercase letters and periods, or the number ones and twos, that's kind of like um, more little supporting sentences that you write that really help to clarify like your big main idea. Okay, so you might really want to talk about this one topic, and then you have kind of 3 topics that are really going to help explain that one topic. Okay, so each little bitty detail, that's kind of like individual sentences almost. Okay, um, so you have like your main paragraph with like little sentences, little details that are going to be inside the paragraph. Okay, so I know it looks complicating, but really this is a good way to figure out what paragraphs you want to have inside your paper, and then actually think through what sentences do I want inside those paragraphs. Okay, so think about the topics that you want to definitely cover inside those paragraphs, and then how you're going to do it with specific sentences. Okay, so this is a really good way to just kind of see your ideas laid out. Make sure that in each paragraph it's only about that one main topic. Okay, so if you notice that you're getting off on some rabbit trail and you're starting to talk about a totally different topic, in all these little subtopics, well then remove that and put it in a separate paragraph. Okay, so this is a good way to just kind of make sure that each paragraph is about one topic. Okay, so um, I know it seems complicated, but it's really a great way to just organize yourself. um, so I really wanted to talk about this rubric. So a lot of people get overwhelmed when we say use the rubric, but really this is kind of a way for you to know exactly how you're going to be graded, okay? Because yes, the rubrics look confusing, but this is literally how I give you a grade, okay? So these columns are kind of like the different levels of grades. Okay, this is like the person that makes close to 100 or 100. This one is somebody that maybe makes a low A. This person's probably like a B or a C, and this one is definitely like a D or an F. Okay, so you really want to stick to this first column and really just don't look at those. Okay, so for a high scoring student, you'll do the following. Okay, so for the outline, all right, you're just gathering your research, you're wanting to summarize your text, figure out what data you're coming up with. So basically, to get a high grade on that outline part, you're just going to present an outline that is thoroughly developed with all 3 levels of headings. Okay, you want to have your main topics, like basically what your paragraph is about. You want to have your subtopics where it's like, okay, in this paragraph, I need to cover these ideas. And then you're going to have your specific details or specific facts that are like literally like this needs to be in this sentence, this sentence, this sentence, this sentence to be able to accomplish like your main idea. All right. So make sure that you have all 3 levels. And make sure it's objectively written and clearly derived from your research plan. So don't come up with a whole new topic for this outline. Use the research plan that you turned in on lesson 5. Okay, so go back to that research plan document that you hopefully saved on your computer and figure out what the topic was, figure out what sources you used, and plug all that information into this outline. All right, you want it to be organized. All right, you want to have, you want to keep those Roman numerals, those capital letters, and the number 1s, the number 2s, number 3s, all of that. You want to keep that just like the example has, okay? Just fill in your information basically. Keep it organized. Clearly establish relationships between your main topics, subtopics, and specific details. Okay, so basically they're saying if you're going to have a topic right here, all the subtopics need to be describing this main topic. If it's talking about a whole different topic, just delete it and put it in a whole new paragraph. Okay, each paragraph should be about one topic. That means your subtopics and specific facts are about your main topic. And then the grammar mechanics, we're looking for capitalization of the first word of each major item in the outline. So basically, each new line should have a capital letter. Okay? You're still following the rules of spelling, capitalization, grammar, and punctuation. Within, you can have 5 errors and still get a high score. So yeah, you might not be perfect, but let's at least try to check and edit our work to where you have fewer than 5 errors, okay? So that's how you use your rubric for this assignment, and that's how I'll use it as I grade you. So you might think it's a waste of time to look at that, but that's literally what I'm looking for as I give you a grade. So use it wisely. All right, guys, let me know if you need help. And this is the Module 3, Lesson 10. Good luck.